Is Arc Raiders stuck on the loading screen? You're not alone. Many players are experiencing this issue, especially after recent updates. This problem often arises due to client-side incompatibilities like outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, or network interruptions during the game's initial loading phase. The game uses Unreal Engine 5, requiring at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a stable 25 megabit per internet connection. Sometimes, the anti-cheat system, BattleEye, encounters synchronization issues, preventing the game from fully loading, which can cause the infinite loading loop. Let's get you back into the game. Here are some common solutions to get Arc Raiders working again. First, verify the integrity of game files in Steam by right-clicking Arc Raiders, selecting Properties, then Local Files, and finally, verify integrity of game files. Next, update your GPU drivers to the latest versions, NVIDIA version 560 Plus or AMD version 20.12.1. Try disabling overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience, as they can interfere with the game launcher. Run the game as an administrator or in compatibility mode for Windows 10-11 by right-clicking the executable, selecting Properties, and navigating to the Compatibility tab. As a last resort, some users have found success by reinstalling DirectX 12 and clearing the game's shader cache. If these steps don't resolve the issue, check the Arc Raiders official forums or Discord for the latest community-driven solutions and official announcements from Ember Labs.